There it is, folks. Got the all-terrains put on it. Got 1-inch adapters on the front and rear. K02s. You guys take a look at it. Got a nice wide stance to it. The wheels kind of kick out just about right. Excellent profile from the left or right side. Got the stock wheels. Gonna do some plastic dip on them. Make them that nice semi-gloss black. I'll probably do the chrome detail for the back plate and the front trim. Nice wide stance from the rear. When you're sitting in it, it feels like it's a tiny bit higher, even though I have no lift on it. So that's all just from nice new tire tread with these K02s. Thanks for watching.